Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the Syncfusion React PDF Viewer. In this video, I will walk you through how annotations help users review, comment, and collaborate on PDF documents directly in your application. Let me start by enabling annotations in the PDF Viewer. There are different types of annotations available, and you can access them using the toolbar, context menu, or programmatically. Need to review or emphasize text? The viewer supports text markup annotations such as highlight, underline, strikethrough, and squiggly. Users can either select the text first or choose the markup tool and then select the content. You can also define colors and opacity using the corresponding text markup settings during initialization. Beyond text, PDFViewer supports shape and drawing annotations such as lines, arrows, and more, or allows you to draw freehand ink. After placing an annotation, users can adjust properties like fill color, stroke color, thickness, and opacity using the annotation toolbar. Line-based annotations expose additional line options, and selector styles can be customized when needed. If you want to add comments, notes, or measurements, specialty annotations are perfect for these scenarios. Sticky notes let users add quick comments. Free text annotations allow users to type directly on the page with control over font family, size, color, alignment, and style. Measurement annotations support distance, perimeter, area, radius, and volume, along with configurable units and scale ratios. Stamps let you quickly mark up a document with ready-made visuals, whether it's a dynamic, sign, standard business, or custom. Can also be added and rotated during interaction. Need consistency across annotations? You can set default properties during initialization for annotation types like shapes, ink, free text, measurements, and stamps, so newly added annotations follow the same visual style. Annotations are also built for collaboration. The comment panel allows users to add comments, replies, and status updates to supported annotation types. The panel can be opened from the annotation menu. By right-clicking or by double-clicking an annotation, you can control its visibility and customize how dates, times, and multi-line comments are displayed using comment panel settings. Want to save or reuse annotation data? The PDF Viewer supports importing and exporting annotations in JSON and XFDF formats. Users can manage this directly from the comments panel, while developers can integrate annotation workflows programmatically when needed. You can add or delete annotations using the available APIs. All annotation features work seamlessly on mobile devices, supporting touch-based creation, instant property adjustments, and comment management through the mobile toolbar. This is how annotations in the Syncfusion React PDF Viewer make document review structured, collaborative, and easy to manage.